Hi, Spanish 110 students. This is Profe Willie here. I'm in my office. And I just wanted to do a quick video to show you how to create an account on the Supersite in case you're having problems or you just haven't tried it yet and you would like a little walkthrough. It's very easy to show you how to do. It's much easier to do on video than to try and send an email or a message explaining it, so that's why I'm doing this here. All right, so I'm recording this using Zoom actually, so it's basically a Zoom meeting with just myself. And I'm going to share my screen so that you can see what you need to do in order to get your account set up. So the first thing I would recommend you do, and I'm going to share my screen now, and there should be a little bubble with me in the corner so you can still see me speaking. Let's see, I go to the share screen button, and okay, so what you're looking at now is the center homepage. Actually, it's called CenterNet. And to get there, I'll just type this so you can see what I'm doing. Just go to cn.center.edu. That's the easiest way. A lot of you might have already logged on and done this for other reasons. Okay, and so yours might look a little bit different, but if I scroll down a little bit, I have these Launchpad buttons, and so I'm going to go to Moodle. I click on that, and I have not logged into CenterNet. If I had logged in, I wouldn't need to do it here. But since I didn't, I do need to do it. So I'm going to type in my CenterNet username and my password, which I just changed, so I got to remember what it is. All right, so here's what my Moodle page looks like, and I'm going to go to our course, which is Spanish 110 1A FA 2020. Okay, and your view is going to look a little bit different because I'm the instructor and you are a student. So I'm just going to change my view to student view so that it looks more or less exactly like what you should be seeing. Right now, a lot of things are not available because I need to populate all of that. But these things should be here no matter when you're logging in. And you go to create a Supersite account, click on that, and this will open up in a new window. And I hope that you're seeing the new window. Let me just check and make sure. Yeah, I think you might not be, so. Okay, now you should be seeing the new window that popped up with these very simple instructions. So you just need to click on one of the links. Oh, by the way, take note of this information because that's going to be important when you log in and create your account so you don't go to the wrong place. So go to VHL Central, and I'll bet you can't see that. So let me make sure that you can. All right, so this is the page that should pop up. You need to create an account. You can put in all of this stuff. And by the way, for your email address, I highly recommend you use your center email address. That makes it easier for me if I need to send you all a message or export information from the database on my back end. All right, so you go through all of that, and that is all you need to do. But I am gonna log in myself here. Oh, I didn't expect you to see that, but that's all right. I use a password manager because I don't want to try to remember all my random passwords. Okay, so that logged me in automatically, and I have two-factor authentication, so now I have to do that. All right, it's supposed to send me a notification. There it is, there it is. Approve. Okay. All right, you're probably not going to have these other books here. You're only going to have our textbook, which is Aventuras 5th edition. By the way, you probably won't have the physical textbook because I recommended you get the electronic materials for various reasons I explained in the fact. But anyway, I'm just going to click on that. And again, I am going to switch to the student view so it looks more like what you're actually seeing. All right, so you need to first enroll in a course. And if the school is not already selected, which it probably won't be for you, you need to make sure and look for Center College. You know Center is RE because Center has been around since before Noah Webster spelling reform. At least that's the story they tell. Anyway, click on the textbook and you're probably going to see these two sections. Obviously, you are in my class. You're not in Dr. Flaherty Echeverria's class. So make sure you enroll for my course. That should be pretty easy for you. And then if you have purchased your materials, which by the way, let me show you what you should see. This is from a picture that one of you sent me. You wanted to make sure you had the right thing. You will receive a physical envelope that has a code inside. All right, so like it says, don't throw it away. And if you see this ISBN above the barcode right there, make sure that the ISBN matches exactly, or you're not going to have the right level of access to participate in our course. All right, I'm going to stop the share for just a moment, just so I can get back on the right thing, share this with you. So once you do have that code, oh, sorry, I went to the wrong thing. You go to redeem a code, and then you just enter that string of letters and numbers or whatever it is here, redeem it, and voila, you should be in. And I'm going to make a part 2 video where I'm going to show you what you can expect to see now that I've started assigning things, and how you're going to navigate that to get those things done. All right, so that's going to be it for now. I'm going to stop the share. And oh, I wanted to show you what our textbook looked like. It's back there on my shelf, so let me go get that. Let's see, where is that thing? Oh, you know what? The textbook is in my secret compartment that I have back here. There it is right there. Okay, so this is what our textbook looks like. Make sure that you have the 5th edition. That's very important. Again, you're probably just going to have the electronic version, which is what I recommend for this semester, because we don't know if we're going to have to go fully remote, and it's going to be easier for everybody if you just have the electronic version. Oh, and by the way, you're going to be able to bring your device to class, whether that's a laptop or maybe an e-reader or something like that. We can talk about all that, but that's how I recommend you access the textbook when you are in the classroom or outside of the classroom doing work. All right, so that's it for now. Like I said, part 2, where I'll show you what you can expect when you actually log in and have assignments to do for the Supersite.